Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add Twitch chat to OBS Studio. And here's how it's done. First, make sure you have OBS Studio open. Then head to streamelements.com, link in the description. Once you are on the website, log in with your Twitch account and authorize Stream Elements to access it. You will be taken to a dashboard where you will select streaming tools and then overlays. From here, create a new overlay and set the resolution to 1080 pixel. Then hit start. Now click the plus icon at the bottom and choose Stream Tools, followed by Stream Chat. This will add a block box for your chat. We can customize it from here. Start by enabling dark chat, which gives it a nice background. You can set a 2-second delay to prevent spamming and help the chat flow smoothly. Next, go to Position, Size, and Style. Set the size for a nice balance, but you can resize it in OBS later. Under Text Settings, enable the Custom Font option. Choose Impact for a bold and readable font, and set the color to white. Adjust the text size, which is a good starting point, and hit Save. Name your overlay chat and save it. We will head back to OBS. Select the scene where you want to add the chat. Click the plus sign and choose Browser Source. Name it Chat and hit OK. Paste the Stream Elements link in the URL field. Set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080 and click OK. You will now see the chat appear on your screen. Position the chat where you want it and test it by typing something in your Twitch chat. If your Twitch account is connected in OBS settings, you should see the test message pop up in the overlay. If not, you can also test through the Twitch app. Now go back to Stream Elements and make the chat transparent so the black border isn't visible on your stream. Under Settings, select Custom for the dark chat and adjust the transparency. You can also increase the text size to 30 if you'd like. Hit Save and the changes will automatically update in OBS. Once the adjustments are made, do another test to check that everything is working as expected. Your chat should now be transparent and properly sized. And that's everything you need to know about how to add Twitch chat to OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.